Photoshop video tutorials by Andrew Buckle. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create a vector mask. Now you can mask out images using vectors. Now first thing to do, just quickly go over to a layer, make sure you've got a layer selected there over in the layers, and go to a layer and vector mask and reveal all. So once you've done that, just go over to either the custom shape tool, ellipse tool, and I'm just going to go for the ellipse tool, perfectly reasonable, either or rectangle, etc. Now just go for the path option there, just see path, and then just go just there. I'm just going to cut out everything but that taxi. And that's it. Very simple, just quick and easy, add that. Now once you've done that, of course you can, and I'm just going to add additional, you can see I've got a little plus there, just add additional bits to the mask if you want to maybe add more. Of course you can remove as well. You can subtract front shape and maybe cut like that. Okay, so once you've actually done that, you can also do other things, of course. You don't actually have to just keep it a circle. I'm just going to go back now, just the original ellipse. There's the original ellipse there, and what you can do, you can use something like, say, curvature tool, and just click on there and just drag that out. So you can actually change the mask, so you can just alter that. So there's also options over here. If you go over to this thumbnail there, you just select it, and you can right click and you can delete vector mask or disable. So you don't have to vector mask or enable. Quick and easy. Hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.